So I'd like to show you an experiment I have set up today. This is a level I built this weekend, and I'm going to use it to test the surface tension of water and actually some other material I've been making, but I'm going to calibrate it on the surface tension of water. So as you can see here, I have a level. It's a copper bar mounted on a piece of oak, and I've got a medicine cup, one of the ones you'd use to take NyQuil or whatever. And over here I have a needle. I'm going to be putting the needle onto the surface of water, and I currently have a petri dish full of water over here. So I'm going to show you how this will work. Be a little hard with one hand. I had to put all these here to make sure that the needle and this container were at the same level. Can't have the needle being lower than it, or higher, for that fact. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this guy out. Okay, so you can see there that the needle pulled up a little bit but then pulled back down, and that's because of the surface tension of the water pulled it in. And you might be able to barely see it, but it's right there on the surface. I'm not sure the camera is doing it justice. I'm going to pull up on the container a little bit so you can see the surface tension of the water attaching itself to the needle. So I'm going to be measuring that force there. So I have these pipettes. I have two of them. I have one set to 20 microliters, and I have one set to 460 microliters. I found that in previous experiments that it breaks around 580 microliters. So I've been starting big and then going in small. So I'll try and show you the whole process now. So I got my pipette full of water. Okay, so that's my big pipette. That's this one, 460 microliters. And now I'm going to go with the small one. So now we're at 460. And this one's going to be at 20 microliters each addition. That puts us at 480. $500. $520. $540. I'm just going to come over here to the needle so you can see it. As you can see, it's slowly starting to pull up on the surface of the water. $560. $580. That's $600. Oh, and there we go. Got my first drop in there of the 620 microliter amount, and it broke free. Now, using a calculation where I determined the surface area of the needle touching the water, I can determine the surface tension of the water. Thank you for watching.